Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm making keto caramel peanut, des arachides caramel approuvés cétogènes. This snack is keto friendly because I'm using erythritol as sweetener. Let's start by bringing to a boil the sweetener and water mixture. The sweetener I'm using is erythritol. It is keto friendly. The reason why is it won't affect your blood sugar level. It won't affect your insulin. So it is perfect way for people with diabetes. Add a little bit of lime juice. It's optional, but I love adding it. Un peu de jus de citron et de sel pour rehausser le goût du. Add a little bit of salt to bring out the sweetness. This caramel is a little bit different than table sugar caramel. It's not as sticky. But trust me, once you put the peanut in there and you let it cool off, it gets even harder. Vous allez noter que ce caramel est un peu différent du caramel de sucre de table. Elle ne s'étire pas comme le caramel habituel. Donc, ne le brûlez pas. Ne vous inquiétez pas, elle durcit très bien une fois refroidie. You can shape this snack whichever way you want it, but since I have this mold here, that's what I'm using. Otherwise, you can just pour it in something and then cut it later. Once cooled off, it is easy to remove this from the mold. So that's it. Your snack is ready to be enjoyed by your family, and it makes a perfect holiday gift also. This snack can be stored in an airtight container for months. Like I said, it is sugar-free and perfect for diabetic people. But moderation is key in everything. So do not abuse it. Just eat it moderately. Thank you so much. I'll be talking to you in the next video. Bye-bye.